I have already ordered a pizza. I've already ordered a pizza. I'm also learning to speak English. I'm also learning to speak English. Can you alter it? Can you alter it? What's the alternative? What's the alternative? That's a good alternative. That's a good alternative. Although you are right, but I will do it my way. Although you are right, but I'll do it my way. I'm not always wrong. I'm not always wrong. It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. You have got an amazing idea. You have got an amazing idea. Who is the American president? Who is the American president? There is a mouse among us. There is a mouse among us. What's the total amount? What's the total amount? This is a good analysis on current situation. This is a good analysis on current situation. He is a good political analyst. He is a good political analyst. He is good at analyzing local politics. He is good at analyzing local politics. Mohenjo-daro was an ancient civilization. Mohenjo-daro was an ancient civilization. You are good and he is bad. You are good and he is bad. Don't take any action in anger. Don't take any action in anger. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. That's another angle. That's another angle. Why are you angry at him? Why are you angry at him? Dog is an animal. Dog is an animal. What are you giving me on our wedding anniversary? What are you giving me on our wedding anniversary? Who is going to announce this news? Who is going to announce this news? You are invited for the company's annual dinner. You are invited for the company's annual dinner. Let's do it another way. Let's do it another way. Please answer me. Please answer me. I anticipate that it will work. I anticipate that it will work. Anxiety is bad for your health. Anxiety is bad for your health. Can any of you tell me the answer? Can any of you tell me the answer? Is anybody at home? Is anybody at home? I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Can anyone tell me about the new law? Can anyone tell me about the new law? Anything is better than nothing. Anything is better than nothing. Anyway, let's do it. Anyway, let's do it. I can go anywhere. I can go anywhere. Apart from this, it has other problems. Apart from this, it has other problems. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. It's apparent. It's apparent. Apparently, they were very happy. Apparently, they were very happy. I will appeal against it. I'll appeal against it. He appears to be a hard-working person. He appears to be a hard-working person. Don't go on his appearance. Don't go on his appearance. He is an apple of his mother's eye. He is an apple of his mother's eye. Send me your job application. Send me your job application. I will apply for this position. I'll apply for this position. He is appointed as a marketing manager. He is appointed as a marketing manager. Here is your appointment letter. Here is your appointment letter. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Can you approach him? Can you approach him? That's not an appropriate behavior. That's not an appropriate behavior. I don't need your approval. I don't need your approval. I will approve your holidays. I'll approve your holidays. Approximately how long is it? Approximately how long is it? Arabs are very strong. Arabs are very strong. Who is the architect of this building? Who is the architect of this building? This is a safe area. This is a safe area. Why are you always arguing? Why are you always arguing? The wife always wins the argument. The wife always wins the argument. The revolution is arising. The revolution is arising. I have got strong arms. I have got strong arms. The bank robbers were heavily armed. The bank robbers were heavily armed. We have got one of the best armies in the world. We have got one of the best armies in the world. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around. Is there a good cinema house around here? Is there a good cinema house around here? I can arrange your hotel stay. I can arrange your hotel stay. Who did the arrangements in your wedding party? Who did the arrangements in your wedding party? The police arrested the thief. The police arrested the thief. I'll welcome you on your arrival. I will welcome you on your arrival. When will you arrive? When will you arrive? I love good pieces of art. I love good pieces of art. I read a good article in the newspaper. I read a good article in the newspaper. An artist is always very sensitive. An artist is always very sensitive. This painting is very artistic. This painting is very artistic. As I was telling you that he will not come. As I was telling you that he will not come. People from Asia are called Asian. People from Asia are called Asian. She pushed him aside. She pushed him aside. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? The baby is fast asleep. The baby is fast asleep. What are the different aspects of this article? What are the different aspects of this article? He assaulted me first. He assaulted me first. I can't exert it enough that you need to learn English to get a better job. I can't exert it enough that you need to learn English to get a better job. I'm assessing the situation. I am assessing the situation. I failed in the assessment test. I failed in the assessment test. You are an asset to our company. You are an asset to our company. I'm assigning you this task. I am assigning you this task. I didn't complete the English assignment. I didn't complete the English assignment. Can you assist me? Can you assist me? I don't need your assistance. I don't need your assistance. You are a good assistant. You are a good assistant. I am not associated with this organization. I am not associated with this organization. Do you have any association with this company? Do you have any association with this company? Don't assume what I'm thinking. Don't assume what I'm thinking. Your argument is based on assumption. Your argument is based on assumption. I assure you that you will be able to speak English after completing this video series. I assure you that you will be able to speak English after completing this video series. We'll meet at 2:30 p.m. We will meet at 2:30 p.m. She is a good athlete. She is a good athlete. I always wanted an athletic body. I always wanted an athletic body. Oxygen is an important part of Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen is an important part of Earth's atmosphere. I'm attaching my resume for your review. I'm attaching my resume for your review. A dog attacked him. A dog attacked him. I'll attempt that IQ test. I'll attempt that IQ test. I'll attend the annual company's dinner. I'll attend the annual company's dinner.